What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna attempt to build a Lego vending machine. I want this Lego vending machine to actually be able to use nickels, dimes, quarters, and pennies. And the vending machine will take nickels for this project. So these two we're not gonna need right now. We just need to focus on the nickel. This is what's gonna go inside of it. I've already been brainstorming some ideas. This is what I have so far. So basically, I have this part and this part. This part will fit in just right here. And this part will fit in just right here. So basically what's supposedly gonna happen is the nickel will drop in to about there. And then this thing will push it like this to about, hopefully to about there. Is what I want this thing to do, is I want this little hole right here to catch one of these. And then I'm gonna, in the same motion, I'm just gonna bring it back. And then hopefully it drops into here and comes out here to where I can get it. And then hopefully the money will just fall into here and then come down in here. And then the candy will come out here. So it doesn't look pretty, but I'm just trying some stuff out. So I'm just gonna put all this back together in here. And now this little covering, you just slide on over this. Okay, so now, see that motion? That's not doing anything. I have a little stopper right here. So, nickel drops in, pulls back. I think I'm gonna remove that for now. We'll try that again. So the nickel drops in, and then pushes all the way in until it releases down here. That comes in there, pushes all the way back. So now I think I'm gonna extend this thing a little bit, because if I push it all the way in, like if I get the nickel and push it all the way in, like this is like barely sticking out. So I'm gonna make that a little longer. All right, now that's a little longer. This quarter comes in now, or nickel. I can push it and still have a mold to pull out. Okay, the second thing we've got to work on now is actually how to be able to determine which coin goes in. This is the first thing I have in mind here, is I'm gonna put this at a slanted angle, and then I'm gonna roll each down. I made it just small enough so where the quarter couldn't fit, but the nickel could. And I want the nickel to be able to just slide down. And I think the penny and the dime should just fall through. So I am gonna make a little contraption maybe right here to collect the remaining coins that didn't make it. Okay, hopefully that will be good. That looks fine. I'm just scared it will be a little too flimsy. And also this open space right here I gotta fix. Every now and then I just double check to make sure the function's actually working. So I'm just gonna slide that in there, and it works. I think if I put enough of these things, I think if I equal out the distance on this side, if I just put this in there, and then put this on this side, it'll be well balanced. So you see it's all strong now, just a little wobbly on this side, but I think if I put supports underneath here, it should be fine. All right, so now I'm building this contraption that if a coin, etc., like for example, if the penny didn't make it, it would fall into something around here to bring it back right here. So I'm gonna take about maybe 4 of these things, combine them and kind of tuck them in there somewhere. So we're gonna try to do that now. Okay, that's what I have right now so far. But I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm afraid they're gonna go over that. So we're gonna test it out and just see. Yep, it definitely goes over it. What about the dime? Yeah, even the dime goes over it. It's not good. Maybe if I put it at less of an angle. Okay, here are the 2 designs that I finished. So this one is, oh, I think it works. I've tried it out and it hopefully works. So this one is gonna go out like right there. See how that's kind of flush against this port right here? And then this one is gonna go about right there. So hopefully that works. If not, I'm just gonna bring this one over a tad bit to about there or something, maybe a little further out, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so now I'm trying to work on the candy mechanism. So this is all the way pulled back to about there. And now I would place a piece of candy about there. And then the nickel come in, land right there. We'll push it in till the nickel goes all the way in. And then pull it out. So the candy dropped into there. So now pull it, and the candy comes out. So we are going to now make that a little sturdier and just a little better. All right, so we're gonna do a little test. I've made it a lot stronger and a lot better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a couple candies in here, and then take a nickel, slide it in there, go in and out. So it worked that time. We're gonna try it one more time, see if it works. Nickel in, push in, pull out, worked again. Last nickel, put it in, push in, pull out, and it worked. Okay, so we know the mechanism works. So now let's just focus on attaching this thing. And yeah, I'll update you guys in a second. Okay, after a long time of trial and error, I think I finally got it to work. This thing just looks like a hunk of junk right now, but I'm gonna make it look pretty later. I just wanna show you the main concept of how this thing works. So, this will be the insert slot. If we try to put a penny in, it doesn't work. If we try to put a dime in, doesn't work. Quarters just don't even fit. See? And then nickels goes in. There's no candy in right now, so let's just put 2 pieces of candy in. So put the nickel in. Nickel lays flat. Push in. Pull out. There's the candy. So this is our candy machine. Yeah, I'm gonna set this down for you guys so you can see a little better. All right, so doesn't work. Diamond doesn't work. Nickel goes all the way in. Push it in, pull out. You get a piece of candy. That is officially a fully working, oh jeez, now it's broken. This is a fully working Lego candy machine. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and comment down below if I should make a giant one that's like the size of this, because that's probably what I'm gonna do one day. It doesn't really look that good, but it does its job. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.